The launch of a ship is a tremendous occasion. It is when this 2,100 tonnes mass of steel and equipment before you becomes a ship. A new ship which benefits from its considerable naval heritage and the workmanship of thousands of people throughout Australia and New Zealand.
To see this beast of 2,000 plus tonnes go and slide down into the water with the least possible effort.
Today we are designing, constructing and exporting an internationally standard frigate class. It's a tremendous achievement for Australian industry in general. We have some 1,300 contractors working on this program in Australia and New Zealand. We have over 70% local content in the whole contract, and it's a great way for the Defence Department and the Australian Government to make sure that work stays in Australia and builds up a skill base in Australia. The Anzac ships in service, being fitted out and on this launchway are the visible evidence of a significant engineering feat for this country.
My congratulations go out to 10X Defence Systems, to the Anzac Ship Project and to all those involved in getting Stuart to this stage.
Great day for the Navy, another ship, another ship in part of our reinvigoration of the surface fleet program and really the technological advance of the Navy.
It is something of which all Australians can be proud. In our Navy, we are keen to add these fine new ships to our fleet and to build on the very significant traditions of the past.
I think everyone is very, very pleased to be here today.
It means a lot to these fellas because many of them have known one another for 60 years, some for 65 years, and there are some very, very close personal friendships.
For their size, they're a remarkable destroyer, a remarkable small destroyer.
They're great ships, fine ships at sea, very stable, a lot of redundancy in the machinery and systems, comfortable, and an easy working environment, and also very capable.
This really is the cutting edge of technology across the board.
The first Stuart built in 1918, 1919, and this ship built, in the 90s, so the technology is hugely different.
We'd have to start all over again if we joined one of these ships. We wouldn't even know what to talk about.
The $6 billion Anzac frigate project has provided a significant contribution to Victoria's economic growth. By employing some 1,600 people on site and hundreds of subcontractors in Victoria, the project has generated more than $1 billion in economic benefit to the state, as well as lifting the technology and skills base of the subcontractors involved.
We're contractually committed to provide 70% local content and well over that now, so it's a tremendous achievement.
As Minister for Education, Training and Youth Affairs, I'm especially pleased at the amount of Australian and New Zealand industry involvement in this project. It's resulted in many, many thousands of people gaining skills that they would otherwise have not gained. This is contributing to the general upskilling of Australia's workforce, creating companies with world-class skills and exploiting new opportunities at home and abroad.
I name this ship Stuart. May God bless her and all who sail in her.